6 energy drinks under the microscope and turning this whole thing into a March Madness microscope bracket. Shout out to Adam from Louisiana for this idea. Thank you, Adam. First, we look at them wet, then we see what they leave behind after drying. And yeah, we're doing this whole thing a little bit backwards. The dirtier it looks, the more it wins or advances to the finals. So by the end, we'll find out which one is actually the worst. Let's get this madness started.
Okay, folks, first up, Red Bull versus Monster. Let's go. 1 drop of Monster. Cover slip. Let's get to work. You know, at this 40x, it doesn't look too bad for Monster. Let's bump it to 100x. And still scattered, not too bad. Let's go to Red Bull. And we're going to put 1 tiny drop on the slide here. Just so, like that. Cover slip. Let's get to work. And at 40x, you can see it's, you know, it's there, scattered a little bit. Not too bad. Let's bump it up to 100x. And a little bit of fiber right there. Moving on. No, it's not too bad. Winner, Red Bull advances. Next up, Bang versus Ghost. Let's go. Taking Bang first. 1 drop. And add a cover slip. Let's get to work. At 40x, you can see a lot of bubbles here. As you can see, a cover slip was put on too quick. It doesn't look too bad. Field looks pretty clean. A little bit of fiber right there. Not too bad. Fiber there. Slide, move the slide around a little bit. The stage, little bubbles. 100x. Yeah, not too bad. Let's go to Ghost. Take 1 drop, like so. And at 40x for the Ghost, I see some bubbles, a little bit of fiber right there. Not too bad. Let's bump it up to 100x here. Real soon you might see a little bit more, you guys. But not too bad. Pretty clean. Here's 100x. Big fiber right there. Not a hair. You see it's contorted. Winner, Ghost advances. Next up, Nas versus Rockstar. Let's go. Let's get to work. 1 drop of Nas and a cover slip. Let's go. 40x. A lot of bubbles, of course. And the field looks pretty clean. A little bit of debris. Not too bad. A bubble moving there. 100x. We got a bubble. More bubbles, of course. The field overall looks not too bad. You guys, not too bad at all. Rockstar, he's up next. 1 drop right here. Cover slip. And let's go to work. You can see right here, we got 40x. A little bit of debris showing up pretty quick. Not too bad. The field looks pretty clean. A little bit of fiber right there. Bubbles. Fiber up top right there. And a slide. And let's go to 100x. That's not a question mark. That is a fiber. And we're moving up to a slide here. Let's see what we can find as bubbles. Winner, Nos advances. We're going to dry samples now, guys. And here's where the competition really starts. At 40x, you can see Monster up on the table here. We have some debris, as you can see. These are all dry, just so you guys know, and might look a little different than the wet, of course. Let's bump this up to 100 mag. There we go. Let me focus a little bit. Monster looks relatively clean, not too bad. Now remember, guys, we're looking for the dirtiest, not the cleanest, okay? So let's move over to Red Bull and compare. At 40x, Red Bull, a lot of scattered debris, smaller, but scattered. Not as big as far as the debris, but there's more of it, but less as far as the size. So let's go to 100x on the Red Bull. Here we go, 100x on the dry sample. Again, they're scattered, like Red Bull usually is. I don't see too many fibers or plastic or what have you, but not too bad. Let's go over here and move the stage around for you guys a little bit, see what I can find to do a really good comparison. But overall, not too bad. Let's go ahead and move over to Bang. All right, Bang at 40x. We are looking at this field looks cleaner than Red Bull and Monster. So I'm trying to find some big fragments or something that can really distinguish between the two. But overall, there's some right there. Let's go ahead and bump this up to 100x on the, there you go. So again, there's some fiber there, some debris, bottom left. Move the field around here on the slide a little bit for you guys. That's a bubble that's contorted. It's got some stuff in it, but it's mostly carbonation is what you're looking at. There's a lot of carbonation in these drinks. So we're at 40x for Ghost. The Ghost. There's a lot of debris here. Look at that. So far, to me, it's a clear leader on this because Ghost, they have a lot of debris in this. And we're still at 40x. You can see where the wave of liquid came across the slide right there. And there's a larger debris in the field. Let's move it up to 100x. And big fiber right there. Okay, let's move a little bit. Trying to find some more stuff for you guys here. There's some more debris, more fiber on the bottom left, right there in the middle. But yeah, Ghost, there's some stuff in here. Let's go ahead and move over to NOS at 40x. NOS at 40x, you can see there's a wave right there. That's where it dried on the slide. But a little less than Ghost, but it's got some debris in there. As you can see, move the field around for you guys a little bit here. Let's go ahead and bump it up to 100x. You might be able to see something better. Here's 100x for the NOS and larger debris, as you can see. Debris right there in the middle. So yeah, I mean, it's got debris, not as much, I don't think, as the prior one, but this is not too bad at 100x. Let's go ahead and move over to Rockstar at 40x. And Rockstar relatively so far looks clean on the dry sample. I'm moving around trying to find something here, but overall, pretty clean. So let's go ahead and, I think maybe at 100x we can might be able to see some more, but so yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I want to move over my depth to 100x. There we go. Let me focus a little bit for you guys. So there's the dry sample right there, how it's stained, but yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. There's some debris right there in the middle. Not too bad. It's plastic. So remember, guys, we're looking at the dirtiest again. The cleanest, yeah, that's cool, right? But I think dirty, it'll give you some direction on which one to buy if you guys are into this kind of stuff. Now, remember, we're going from the dirtiest to the cleanest. So I think the dirtiest will stand out the most. So there you go, guys. This is like all six. You've seen the wet samples and you've seen the dry samples. So let's go ahead and total up the points and see who is a clear winner.
Welcome back, you guys. Clear winner to me, Ghost, by far. And that's the dirtiest energy drink. It advanced to the finals and it won, to me at least. So yeah, drink it at your own risk. And if you saw something different, please let me know in the comments. If you've got something you want tested next, drop it below. I'll put it under the scope. Subscribe for more truth. Oh, don't forget to watch this video that tells the truth about eyelash mites. It's all over the internet. Oh, be kind to one another, especially in the comments.